Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Chef Carlton here, and today for you guys I'm doing a seafood rice skillet. So I got some chicken stock, got some peppers, onions, some seafood mix, got some turmeric, paprika, cayenne, parsley, salt, some rice, some oil. All right, so without further ado, guys, let's dive right into this one. All right, guys, so we'll start this one by heating our oil. Once our oil is ready, we're going to go ahead and add our onions. We're going to saute these for a minute or two. A little bit of pepper. While that's going, just make sure that everything else is ready. Alright guys, so now at this point, I'm going to add my rice. Give it a quick toss. Alright guys, and I'm using long grain parboiled. You use whatever rice you like for this one, guys. The rice doesn't really matter in this one. Alright, I'm going to add a little paprika. If you got smoked paprika, that's even better. But I'm using regular paprika for this one. Use a bit of cayenne pepper also. I like a little heat, so there you go. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt because my chicken stock. I'm gonna have some salt in it also, and then of course some turmeric. And that's what's gonna give us this nice, beautiful color. I'm gonna turn it, just burn it to low. You don't want to burn the rice. You just want to get a nice, crispy. And what I'm going to do for this one, guys, I'm going to add 1 lemon wedge. The rest of the lemon wedge will be at the end when you add the seafood, and more as a garnish. So I'm going to add some chicken stock right now. Alright, I'm going to bring that to a nice boil. Cover that. Just let it simmer real quick. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Almost good, guys. I'm gonna let that reduce. And while this is reducing, we're going to add a little bit more of your stock. So while you reduce, you add more. You don't want all of it at once, of course. You add it little by little. And when your rice is like 75% cooked, then we're going to add our seafood. Because remember, our seafood is already cooked. Or if you're adding raw seafood, then you could go ahead and add them in from now. But what I like to use the pre-cooked seafood is the mixture usually have they cook at different point. Like the shrimp will cook way quicker than the octopus, you know, stuff like that. So if you get everything cooked and ready first, then you could go ahead and add them. Alright guys, I think we're at a consistency now where we could add some more stock. Let's go ahead and remove this lemon. Add a fresh lemon. And I'll explain to you guys why I did that. After you get all the nutrients of that lemon, all that's left, you start getting the rind from the skin. And that could change the flavor altogether. You don't want that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our seafood. All of it. Again, feel free to use a deeper pan or a bigger pan, guys. But this one, once you control the liquid and the amount you put in, this one will be fine. And I like using this pan because you guys could actually see inside the pan. If I use a deeper pan, then I'll have some recording issues. But yeah, almost there, guys. And you see everything was spot on because this one actually take this when this is dried out, and then we'll be ready. All right, so let's just stick around and sprinkle some of the parsley. We're gonna do it at the end mostly as a garnish, but I learned from one of my chefs that if your garnish is not adding something to the dish, don't bother with it. And the garnish shouldn't just be to add an extra piece. You need to add some flavor or add something. I'm not sure how much flavor I'm getting from this parsley, but today I like to incorporate my garnish inside the actual dish also. Alright guys, look at that. That's so you do a beautiful seafood rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add some of the lemons. And we're just going to let that sit. Just going to go and finish with the parsley. Alright, and that's it guys. So let's take you in for a close peek. Nice, beautiful rice.